Hello!
Hello!
Well, welcome to Explore Home Repeat. My name's Matt.
And I'm Izzy.
And today we are at the Bombay Sapphire Gin Distillery. We are really excited for this. We are big gin drinkers. We have Bombay Sapphire a lot, and this is where they make every single bottle of Bombay Sapphire that goes to all over the world. We're here to do a distillery tour, look at all the botanicals they use within the gin. Then also, I think we get a complimentary cocktail, and then of course, there's the gift shop as well. So this is going to be an expensive trip. We're here to find out what it's like, if you should go, and if it's worth the ticket price. Really looking forward to this one. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. We do day out videos all across the country and upload once a week. So you ready to go?
Let's go.
We're just in the entrance to Bombay Sapphire, and they've got these brilliant models of the kind of new areas, that new glass house and the whole kind of industrial area. And they're beautiful buildings as well. It's real sort of old, I don't know if they're Victorian or Edwardian buildings, lovely brickwork and everything. Really nice sort of area. 100% of Bombay Sapphire Gin is made in this factory. They've got various buildings. 80% of it is made in this room here. They've got all the stills in there, and that's 120,000 bottles of Bombay Sapphire a day, which is just mental. It looks like a relatively small kind of factory, but to be making that much gin and selling that much gin all over the world is just insane. It's got these two great big stills, so they've got Victoria still here and Henry still over here, and they've got various vats in the back that collect the processed alcohols that then go into Bombay Sapphire. They're beautiful buildings though.
It's absolutely beautiful here. I love the architecture. I'm here for the architecture. Bonus is the gin.
I'm definitely here for the gin.
We haven't been on a gin tour in a
Yeah,
long time.
and this tour's really good. The woman doing it is really kind of interesting and charismatic, giving you little sort of anecdotes and funny little facts.
Yeah.
Well worth it.
It is worth it, and that is an impressive.
Yeah, that glass house is just beautiful. So these glass houses are really good because it kind of gives you an idea as to all these various spices and botanicals and citrus peels, where those actually come from. And it also adds kind of a slightly sort of nice ambience to what is a very factory industrial area. Having all these plants around you, this amazing glass house really kind of adds another level to the tour. So we've got all of these different spices and aromas to smell. You can see they're all COVID friendly. They're making you use these giant tweezers to pick things up. You all had to hand sanitize beforehand. This is orris root. It's crazy stuff, but they grind it up, and it's one of the botanicals. Gives like a sort of earthy bass note.
Yeah, it looks like
Weird
stones.
stuff.
It looks like little rocks.
So it's really great that you get to kind of smell all those botanicals. They also talk through what kind of effect they have on the gin and how they put them into the recipe, and then also how they then distill that, and they vapor infuse all of those botanicals into it. Really good, huh?
Yeah, really good, and it's very interactive. So it's still like COVID friendly, but at least you're having some interaction with the processes.
Yeah, and seeing what all those, because they are quite exotic ingredients as well. So to see those, what they actually look like in real life, where they come from. Again, those greenhouses are really, really good for that as well. It really adds to your kind of understanding as to what they're actually doing here, rather than just they're making gin and they're using the distilling process. Well, our tour is now over. Really good though, yeah?
Really good. And now we're heading to the bar.
Yeah, what any good distillery tour ends up in the bar with samples. So I think we get a cocktail to try. We're just heading in now. If you're driving or you don't drink alcohol, you can still come to the Bombay Sapphire Distillery Tour. You can ask for a Do You Yuzu non-alcoholic cocktail that's got pink grapefruit, vanilla syrup, yuzu tonic, grapefruit wedge and a basil sprig. And what they do is give you a little double shot of Bombay Sapphire in this little bottle and a thing of Fever Tree tonic, so you can then make a gin and tonic with it once you get home after you finish driving. So they cater for everyone here. It's really good. Izzy's trying her strawberries no cream cocktail. So it's Bombay Sapphire, vanilla syrup, pink grapefruit juice, strawberry with a basil leaf.
Yeah.
Can you give it a try?
Yeah.
What's it like?
It's quite sharp, actually.
Yeah, got a bit of a, well, it's the pink grapefruit, I guess.
That's what it is. But yeah, you get a little bit of fresh strawberry. It's quite refreshing on your lips. It's good.
Love the look of this cocktail. It's a huge piece of ginger in it. It's massive. And these glasses theme like the bottles. Amazing.
I think it's the ginger beer is making it too.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a slightly sweetened gin cocktail. Kind of a bit tonic-y, but it's really sweet. Lots of lime in there as well. That's really good. We've decided which bottle we're buying in the gin shop.
So we're going to go for the Star Bombay. I think it's a stronger alcohol volume of 47.5.
But it's supposed to be extra smooth, so we thought we'd try something other than the kind of standard one.
Also, the bottle's very pretty.
Yeah, it is very pretty. So that's our day over here at Bombay Sapphire Distillery. What did you think?
Really great day. Definitely worth a visit here. The tour guide was really good. She was so informative, enthusiastic, and it just made the whole experience, you know?
Loads to explore here as well. It was roughly about 2.5 hours. The tours last about an hour and 20 minutes. And then obviously you've got to go to the bar to have your cocktail. That's complimentary, of course. And then a trip to the shop, which I'll warn you can get quite expensive. They have loads of limited edition bottles out all the time. They're constantly kind of innovating. Highlights, probably those glass houses were really good. And I tell you what, the Mill Bar, where you got your cocktails from, is fantastic. Really funky, cool cocktails were really, really good.
I love the architecture and the old industrial buildings. It gives it like a lot more character for the product they're trying to sell.
Value for money, I think it was fantastic value for money. So all in all, a really great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!